Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day using WhatsApp. This is a completely legitimate way to make money, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. The one trick is to use WhatsApp to sell products or services. You can sell anything you want, from physical products to digital products to services. How to find products to sell? There are a few different ways to find products to sell on WhatsApp. One way is to find products that you're already familiar with and that you think people would be interested in buying. Another way is to find products that are popular on social media or other online marketplaces. How to set up your WhatsApp business account. Once you've found a product to sell, you need to set up a WhatsApp business account. This will allow you to send and receive messages with customers, create a catalog of your products, and track your sales. How to promote your products. The best way to promote your products on WhatsApp is to send messages to your friends and family. You can also promote your products on social media or other online marketplaces. How to make sales. Once you've started promoting your products, you'll start getting sales. When a customer makes a purchase, you'll need to ship the product to them or provide them with the service that you're offering. Making money using WhatsApp is a great way to make extra income or even start a full-time business. If you're willing to put in the work, you can easily make $100 per day or more. Here are some additional tips for making money using WhatsApp. One, be responsive to customer messages. 2, offer good customer service. 3, build relationships with your customers. 4, promote your products regularly. 5, be patient and persistent. I hope this video has helped you learn how to make money using WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you want to learn more about how to make money using WhatsApp, I recommend checking out my website or signing up for my email list. I'll be sending out more tips and tricks on how to make money online, so you don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching.